In order to hide or show fields based on values within the form, it's actually fairly simple to do. There's three places that you need to change. So first, in edit mode, you need to go to more actions, to script on add, and then actions on load. And here we need to hide all the fields that are not common to all of the issues. So you can see I've already hidden some of the fields, and I'm going to hide some more for the vacation. And so I'm going to say hide vacation, and then I'm going to say hide, and it is employee up here, employee vacation days. So I'm just going to hide these two fields. Okay. And obviously you can add all the other fields that are not common to all issues. So this is the on add, on load, and if I save the script, okay, now it's saved. The next step I need to do, I'll go back to the form. I have to add the logic so when they choose a different issue that it will show those fields. So I'm going to highlight the field, go down to actions on user input, and here you can see I've already done this for employee new hire. So if the issue is equal to employee new hire, it will show these fields. If it's not equal to employee new hire, it will hide these fields. And if the reason why it's the two-step process is if somebody's editing the form and they change the incident type from employee new hire to something else, then it will hide those fields. So here it will show them, here it will hide them. And I'm going to add in another section. So if incident type, incident type lookup, and here I'm just going to use contains. You'll see where this gets useful. I'm going to do a string, and this is under the built-in functions. So the string functions, and I'm going to do contains. Whoops. I clicked too many times. So it's going to be contains, and here it will be vacation. Actually, I'm not sure if it was capitalized or not. It does make a difference. But I'm going to assume that the word is vacation in upper and lowercase like this. I could also use the phrase time off, because I think that's used in two places as well. But I'll click on done. Okay, so I have my if statement here, and now I want to show vacation. Oops, I want to show vacation, and I want to show employee vacation days. Alright, so I'll save the script, and I'm going to come to free-flowing scripting. Well, actually, let's do the first step in. Okay, I'm in the area where it helps you build the script. So I'm going to just use an else. I'm going to come down to the bottom, and I'll do an else. Come down here, and it put it into the wrong spot. It's got to be down here. All right. So now I'm going to go to my free-flowing scripting, and I'm going to say I'm just going to copy these. So I'll copy, and I will put those in here. And in this case, I want to hide these. All right. I'll save the script. All right. And the last area that needs to be changed is in edit mode. So, or when they edit the form. So I'm going to copy this section. I'll copy that. And if somebody goes into edit the form, I'm going to go to edit on load, and then down here I'm going to paste the information. And the reason for this section is when you go back into view the form, if they had already selected it as employee new hire, you want to show these fields but not these fields. If it contains vacation, you want to hide these fields, and you want to show the vacation fields. So that will keep everything nice and clean. So I'm going to save this, and I'm going to slide up a little bit. Oops. Okay, I'm going to access the application. Okay, so here's the form, and we don't see any of the vacation information. If I come up here and select employee vacation, now it's not going to do anything with the leave, family leave unpaid. We have to handle those separately. But if I click on, actually this won't work because this is capitalized, so that is a problem. So it does nothing. All right, so let me come back in and edit that, and I will come back to more actions. Well, actually I'll come to here first, actions on user input for that field. And I will come here and I will capitalize. All right, so vacation, and I'm going to copy that. First I'll save the script, and I'll come back to the other section, which is the onload, on edit onload, and I'll just do a paste. I will save it again. I will come back to access the application. Okay, and here I will select, well, I can, all right, employee vacation. And we have our vacation days here. Vacation days and vacation only fields. If I come back and change this to something else, those fields are gone. So that's the quick way to show or hide fields, and that can be done with as many fields as you need. So I hope this gives you a little insight on how to work with the fields, and if not, we can do a conference call and we can work with the other fields you need on this form. Okay, thank you.